Okay, today we're going to tackle opening up the Jura Z6 P.E.P super automatic coffee machine. There are some other video instructions on how to do this, but I found a trick that makes it a lot easier. We're going to remove the back plate, use a little trick with a wooden skewer, lift up on it, and then pull out with the skewer. There you go, and that opens the back up. Now, there are 4 proprietary oval bolts in the back of this machine, and you need to buy the proprietary Jura bolt remover. Jura-parts.com have these, and that's where I got it. It was $14. And what we do is use a driver and pull them all out one by one. Once you get those out, you simply lift up on the back of this piece of plastic, it'll come off. And then you need to get a number 10 Torx driver, one of these, number 10. And there are 2 Torx screws, one here and one here. Now, they show you in other videos that you just pull on this and this will come out, but that is not what I found works best. Come around this side. We're going to take out the coffee tray, remove, of course, the water, and what we're going to do is use a little piece of wood right in here when we're here with that camera. And you're going to find the edge of this, and you're going to give it a little hammering like that. And that releases it from the clips. And now the side comes off easily. That's the big reveal. Do the same thing for the other side. This is the part that the other videos do not show you. Tap that like that in the front, and then you should have removed these 2 plugs before you take off that side, and now you are inside of the machine. If you are fixing the error too, like I fixed, the thermocouple that was bad was down in here, so we used a Torx driver to take this off and took out the old thermocouple, which was bolted inside here and comes out through here and gets wired up back into the circuit board. But you may have other errors and different things you're trying to solve, but that's the one I solved. I put this new one of these in and it fixed it right away. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, subscribe and click like. Thanks.